Oh, it smells like a fish aquarium. Oh.
Snack crate. What we got today? Snack crate, Big T in this thing.
Hey, to see you.
It's good to see you.
I'm ready to do this with you.
Snack crate.
Philippines! Cool!
This
got a
looks
lot
very
going
festive,
on.
doesn't it?
Are you Filipino? I'm not. I'm half Chinese though.
Like a parade of
Got
some
a bird
sort.
with sunglasses.
Oh, I'm interested. Let's see.
All right. So I'm pretty sure you'll know some of these snacks then. We'll see.
Get on in it. These.
Prawn crackers. Ew!
Fishy crackers, though?
Shrimp.
What is that? It's a prawn.
Oh, they didn't want me to get in there. Oh, God. Wait.
Fishy crackers.
What? You don't. Oh.
Oh, it smells like a fish aquarium.
Oh, I need to take a breather, man. Smell like.
Oh my God.
Nope. Hell no. Fish food. Oh, hell no.
This literally smells like somebody killed Little Mermaid and put her in here. I ain't even gonna lie.
That's really bad. Shrimp flavored crackers. Shrimp flavored. That's what that is.
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Really says ding dong. I thought you were just.
Ding dong, the witch is dead. Witch, oh witch, the wiggity witch.
Oh my goodness, what is this? It looks like dried peas.
Wasabi peas? What is that?
And curled shoes.
Basically, this the Filipino trail mix in this thing, all right?
What are you doing?
Get on in here.
Ah.
Oh my God.
Good. Okay. It's like really light. Yeah, it is.
Corn Nick. I really don't know what Corn Nick is.
I live this one. I mess with the ding dongs. All right. Chocolate pretzels.
Chocolate pretzels? Yes, thank you. God bless. Jack and Jill. That's what their Jack and Jill looks like?
They got these white kids dressed as Native Americans. I don't know how PC that is, but.
Are you sure? Check this out. I like to smell stuff. I don't know. See if it tastes good. Let me see.
Yeah.
It tastes like one of them just plain like.
It looks like.
Kind of cool. These are good. I would like if I was a little kid. I'd be like, these are sweet. Boy, boy, bye. Boy, bawang.
Boy, this is Corn Nick.
What is this barbecue flavor? You like barbecue?
Who don't like barbecue? Who don't like barbecue?
Bigger, tastier, crunchier.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
I like those. Yeah, I like them too.
I actually like this.
You like this?
It's
Boy, yes. Got a lot in here. It's very colorful. All right, ube cake.
Oob cake.
Oop cake.
Let me figure this out. It's purple. Really purple.
Luscious ube flavor wrapped in a light.
Delectable sponge.
Wait,
Okay, I just low-key
what's
spit on
ubi?
it.
Ube actually is a purple potato.
Better not be like octopus or something.
So that means this is made out of the purple potatoes. Probably why it's purple.
Purple yams. Yams. I'm all about the sweet potatoes.
It tastes like I'm eating a sponge out of the kitchen.
It's real dry.
Man, this is so dry. One more water.
The flavor isn't bad. Tastes like a rug.
This cake dry. I need some water. Thank you. Thank you for the water.
Tastes a little spongy, a little dry. It tastes like one of them loofahs that be in the bathroom.
That thing is so dry, it almost sucked my throat closed around it. Bit like. So that's a no.
Ooh, primo! Primo toast.
Mini toasts. Mini? Look how small these toasts are.
Prima toast, whatever you want to call it. What y'all call them things they put in salads? Oh, crouton.
Oh. Was this like literally just toast?
Pinkies up. Pinkies up. Boop. What the heck, y'all? What's on it? Cheese?
Nailed it.
I could see myself snacking on these though, like vanilla wafers, you know, like
as a last
it's kinda
resort.
Like, it's okay,
As
but
a
then
last
there's like
resort.
munching.
No.
I'm gonna pick pillows, yo. Pillows.
Pillow top. Oh,
Break it down.
boy, this takes me back though.
Bust these down, baby.
Oh, they are like little pillows. Look at that.
It's like a cereal.
These are hard.
outside.
Yeah, this is.
And I bite into it.
Oh, it smells good. Yeah.
Oh, y'all, they smell good.
Choco Philly crackers.
I'm loving this.
I'm not mad at it.
I love this.
That's good.
Oh, y'all, hold up now. Hold up now. Y'all know what's gonna happen. It's gonna take me to church. Take me to church. Take me to church. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's get on to the next one. Dried mango.
I don't really like dried fruit.
What?
Yeah, mango, sugar, and some preservative.
From the package, it looks really good.
I always thought they looked like human skin.
It smells yummy.
Oh, I got a big one too.
It's nice to get like fruit for a change, you know? Like normally it's just like chocolate. Fruit.
I ain't gonna go to church. I ain't gonna go to church on this one, but these are good.
I guess I'm used to America's dried stuff.
Yeah.
Hey!
Fruit. Maybe that's how we should get it. What is this?
Calamansi.
You had it
Juice
before?
drink. No.
Calamasness? Calamansi.
But it looks like it's a lemon lime juice. Ooh, pop that thing open.
Looks really nice, though. It looks like a margarita.
Cheers, girl.
Cheers. Are we taking a shot?
Not what I was expecting.
Oh, it got real sour the second time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, try it.
I don't think I like this one.
Okay, I do like that they had like, it wasn't all chocolate. It was,
Yes.
it was a mix, yeah.
Thank you.
The people in the Philippines have a wide range of snacks.
They had their fruit, they had the toast, they had their beer nuts.
I think they're idea people. These are people coming up with things that aren't always successful, but at least they're coming up with new things and exploring the world of snacks.
How did y'all like the box? I thought it was good. I thought it was great. And I like them boiled wings. Man, them boiled wings good and them dried mangoes hot. Ooh, damn, they was good. Man, they hit the damn spot. Ooh, and they good. Snack crate too. I don't like these fishy chips, boo. Ooh, no, and I had these pillows, boo. They was good. It's some cereal and milk, boo. Ooh, ooh, and I'm now. Ooh, ooh, coming from the south. Ooh, ooh, Bixie getting out. Ooh. Ooh, snack crate in the house. Hey.